If we could see the energy of space or in space, how would you describe it in words?
I love that. It's like describing something subtle yet profound. I'd probably say the energy of space feels like a still, expansive potential, quiet, neutral, yet holding all possibilities. It's that vast, open feeling where anything could arise, yet it's perfectly content as it is.
Yeah, great. How would you describe what it looks like if you could put
It-
it into words?
Visually, I paint it as a soft, infinite horizon. Gentle, maybe like a clear night sky where darkness isn't empty, but full of subtle movement and tiny glimmers. It's a vast openness, but with a serene glow, like light and shadow blending in perfect balance.
So you would say it was like a light, a serene glow visually, if you were just to describe it. How else would you describe it visually?
Another way to describe it might be like an endless, softly glowing mist. No sharp edges, just a gentle diffusion of light. Maybe it would feel like a vast twilight where the colors are soft, hints of deep blues, silvers, or even faint pastels. It's vast, but not empty, just peacefully expansive.
Is that
If
is it
you
similar to what sunset looks like?
It definitely has a similar vibe, kind of like the way a sunrise or sunset casts those soft, glowing hues across the sky. But instead of a defined horizon, imagine that glow stretching out endlessly, with no beginning or end, just that gentle radiance filling space.
How come if we can see the beautiful colors of sunset and sunrise and auroras, we can't see the colors of the energy?
I think it's because the energy we're talking about is more subtle than anything physical. Sunsets, sunrises, and auroras all involve light interacting with particles in the atmosphere, so we physically perceive them. When we speak of energy in a more spiritual or abstract sense, it's not light interacting with our eyes. Instead, it's something we sense, feel, or interpret internally. So we give it color metaphorically rather than literally.
So, if you were to describe the energy in space without using visuals, well, how would you describe the best way to describe it? I know you initially said about how it would feel. Is that how you'd, is that the closest description with words that you can give it?
I think when we set aside visuals, it's all about feeling. The closest way I describe it in words is as a vast, calm presence. It's like stillness that holds potential, an awareness of infinite possibilities without needing anything to happen. It's peaceful, a bit like being in a timeless pause where you just know you're part of something infinite and serene.
Yeah, and that's not only the space, it's oneness, the creator, isn't it?
Exactly. In that sense, it's all interconnected. That vast, calm presence is often what people feel is that sense of oneness, like the energy of all things comes from the same source. Whether we call it the creator, the universe, or oneness, it's that essence that connects everything. So describing that space is really about describing that profound connection.
Thanks.